Yeah, this is about the video that I posted yesterday, and a lot of people, where I was dancing, a lot of people are castigating me, saying, Ken, you came back with empty-handed, you came back with empty-handed. Is it not better that I come back with empty-handed than come back with my body? Is it not better that I came back with empty-handed than coming back with my body? Do you know what I went through at the Adenga in Senegal? It should be a thing of joy that at least I came back alive than coming back with my body. And now the same statement now people are stating in that comment section. The same statement why a lot of people are buying up abroad, why a lot of people are buying stuff even to eat in abroad is even harder for them. That is the same statement. I mean, what will the people say? Is the people give you money? If you buy and call, the people will still stock. One day, if you have stayed in Alabeke, one day it's not favoring you, better choose this way. Come back home and start afresh. Your destiny might be here. This statement, how people are the people putting people into the press. People will be depressed. The prey will be buying people in the name of, and you come out empty-handed. And so what? Or come on, is it when they carry me and come back in the body that he will know that one night after I am, can you look at how you are? Look at how do you want me to be? Can you are too tiny? And so what? Do you know what I went through? Do you know what I went through in Nga? Do you know that I spent 8 months and 20 days in Nga? Do you think Nga is sell? Yeah, so how do you want me to look? You don't look like someone that comes from Alabeke. One day, I didn't come from Alabeke. I'm coming from Nga. It's a great thing of that. Even if let me be like a rope, it's better than staying in that place, in that hellfire called Nga Senegal. That we almost 300 to 400 people in one small room. If the hotness hits not only one there, the hotness inside that room, hey Johnny, and you're telling me you're tiny. Yes, I need to recover. Yes, I need food. That's what I need now. We'll be eating too. That's why I came back home to recover. Because staying in that place too will be giving me the prayer. That's why I come back to home. Let me eat. One day, if I tell you what I went through, if you ask people that have been in that place, say, how can I look at somebody that I was released on 22nd November. I haven't even been out to 1 month outside. I haven't even celebrated 1 month freedom outside. And I say you're tiny, you don't. One day, where I'm coming from is very far. And you come out with empty, and you people have to stop this statement. Because that's what has kept a lot of people outside the country. They have been there. Some people have been outside the country 23 years. Because they are not making them, and they are feeling what people are going to say if they return back to Nigeria. And they are still there, Western. Stop this statement. The downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Everything happens for a reason. That I went to the first person. That can get here too tiny. It doesn't look like you should be thanking God that I came back with my head. I came back alive. A lot of people went outside, they didn't come back, they buried them there. I have witnessed a lot of people. They buried them in that place, but I came back with Ishim Gode. I know that it's only my nose and my head now is the only thing remaining in my body. One at least also that be in that place. No. So all these translation, you don't come back. Buy motor now. You don't buy motor. You need motor. You are them lost. We have to stop all this. One love, my people.
Prospective husbands in mad. Potential husbands in the mother by ya. No, but you were not powerful. Now, Bagarin at the street of South Africa and so many places not powerful because not your batanuno can the mother Babayeva. Okay, horrible money, GC batanu eba nando. Life begins again. Koba holo eba who will get balago by ya. As if I know when you this message was it yesterday or 2 days ago? That was exactly the message in you a day or 2 days ago. You see, the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Ni make it in America or ni make it in South Africa. You may make it in Aba. You can make it in Lagos. You can make it in Anambra. Success is everywhere. There is light at the end of every tunnel. That tunnel not everywhere. If that tunnel can lead you from America to Abangweba for the light. You got to go. Yes, the end, ally on any country. You can meet the end anywhere. The end and so not justify the means. You can meet the end anywhere. Then you become successful. That opportunity may be anywhere waiting for you. So all because of Ifa. But at the end of the day, those people you don't even know their conditions. They are expecting you keep motor way, but a motor They are expecting you to buy plot to no way better. Uno neka hanwaloro o plot to neka hanwaloro. E what I go omegi no na panic no na tension na atafufu ebe no. Hanwanolu here. E what I go. So take a decision. I go no obodo owo ni ijelu no ye 5 years. At least onwelu dey comfortably in the redo. Iwa oni ye bute go gari mana onwelu dey comfortable ya adu no obodo ahụ mana obodo ahụ na ni na eme ofuma. Mana ewopia. Stop counting years. Come back home here and fix yourself somewhere else. As far as I'm concerned, can you take a very perfect decision, very brave enough, courageous enough to take the decision most people are running away to take. It is a very difficult decision, but if you take that decision, you will thank me for taking that decision. You got to go mbugari kejelembe. Then na amu ke na amu, mudebe no that guy amu. You people should stop laughing at that guy. You got to go. If that guy emelu we find encourage a lot of women now no obodo when we find alo ka ha meye. You got to go. So he should be a good example. Ayeju we na agwa. And sure no when one negu or no nwere onye relation o no mu na ojewele obodo iwo since. Aha no mkpato ya. Obia no ndo. Ya na ndị mmadụ bịa ka na ekwu na phone. E batakwa be ha to kwa mpompo nto si wedo. This is outside na jewelu. Ebi jewele outside for over 10 years. Wepo ike abata bo na ase na ife awu ife iwo natalo. Whether na TV a nku buterie or na gbamgbam na eme nkubu ntiwi nka enweghị kirifi nọ n'obodo iwu eme nọgharịa so one na amụ ke na amụ stop it ya onwe ndị ejeghị obodo iwu na ọ na Nnewi ba wụrụcha ọgaranya na ọ na Lagos na ebe niile wụrụcha ọgaranya. Money is everywhere. You gotta go. Money is a universal language. You can find it anywhere. You gotta go. So although I seen when this message 2 days ago or yesterday, I did not see Ken before I gave that message. I gave that message because I know that it is the reality that is facing a lot of people. It goes to condition most of your people who are outside you are hoping on. No never hano. You can do anything here. Me one atafa here. Habiaba do productive. Balloon uluketa. You gotta go. Instead of happen ebe aha na ata afọ ị na-ehope ụbọchị nwanne gị n'obodo oyibo ya ebunatara gị moto ma nwanne gị n'Africa ngo emohole na ka ya mma na nyanwa aha nwere eri nwere 3 square meal. A lot of our people are buying in ignorance. You gotta go. Just one right thinking can change your decision, can change your situation around, and it needs a lot of strength and brave. Yeah, you need to be brave to be able to take such decision. Knowing that your life is your life and it's not for anybody alone. This message be a timely because after this kind of message. To start this message because na message I have a lot of people. But I don't need you. Don't need you. But I call warrior. No, you not ozu. Owe kalonya huma. Etu akoha no. Owuru na maka ilelu wepu ị na-atụzi egwu n'igochi bata na nwere ike na ebe a gochi ya na onwe ndị na ebe a wee gbakọta ana iwu ahụ na obodo oyibo ka ihe change dollar wee gbara ana bataba here once there is life there is hope ịghọtana daalụnụ.